Leway WNS type oil and gas fire boilers have excellent manufacturing technology, beautiful appearance with a good reputation both at home and abroad. Automatic steel plate cutting and blanking. Hot roll corrugated furnace. Stamping forming drum head. Drum head drilling. The drum is coiled by a 30mm plate rolling machine. The circular and longitudinal joints of the drum are welded by double-sided submerged arc automatic welding machine. The welds are inspected by 20 to 100% NDT. Threaded smoke pipe is processed by special equipment. Precise assembly of smoke pipe. Argon automatic shielded welding technology is used for smoke pipe and tube plate. The welds have stable quality wood meat and beautiful appearance. The whole boiler is hydrostatic tested. Welding the packaging framework after the butt of the front and the rear smoke chambers. The cylinder is insulated with 2 layers of 50mm aluminum silicone needle seal blanket. Wrapping with a layer of protective film before boiler leaves the factory to avoid erosion of moisture. Welcome to visit Leway Boiler Company.